Iman Gadzhi recommended this one online business and I seriously ran it for over 365 days, and in this video I will give you a quick walkthrough of how much money I made and if this business model is worth it. The business model Iman Gadzhi recommends is a social media marketing agency. It is his most viewed video on YouTube, and this agency model is supposed to help other businesses gain customers through online marketing. I genuinely gave it my all and I worked many days, 10 hours a day. I even dropped out of college for this. So here's my quick overview. I started my first agency called Fresh in Marketing just 1 year ago. It was a digital marketing agency for home automation services, installators that install lighting and shading, systems that are automated for high-class society, and I help them through Google Ads to get new clients. And from the technique I learned from Iman and other gurus, I was able to send my first client within only a couple of weeks. And in a couple more, I sent 2 more. So all with a setup fee of $1,400. So within around 2 months, I've already made $4,200 US. Now, the only problem was that I've guaranteed them results. And yeah, these results unfortunately didn't come. My service delivery with the Google Ads failed. I basically got them no clients and they didn't get any results. So I lost all 3 of my clients, and after 2 months, I was not even at 4,200, I was at zero, base ground zero. So I knew I had to pivot because I was able to do client acquisition for myself. I decided to help other agencies do client acquisition for them. So I started a new marketing agency called ZennyReach, and it specialized in outbound cold outreach, and the idea was to send personalized emails which had a personalized video and highly tailored and highly sophisticated with AI, which would introduce the agency to new business owners. But after a while it got very simplified and it basically just turned into cold emailing. I would need to test and upgrade the email copies, but otherwise I didn't have much work because I'm just booking the appointments straight into my partner's calendar, and that was all I did. Up to date, I've signed 24 high-ticket performance marketing agencies on a pay-on-results model. I currently only have 14 of them running. That means I lost like 10 clients. And altogether last year, I've made around $27,600 in profit. So if we split that by the last 10 months, which I use for ZennyReach, I've made around $2,700 profit per month for the last 10 months, starting from zero. I really think that's not bad at all. That's pretty good actually. So now comes the question, is it worth it to make this $2,700 per month profit? I guess in money terms it is. In satisfaction points, not really. I always thought of this agency model to be some cool concept, some very sophisticated and cool job, but in the end right now I'm just cold emailing. My purpose doesn't really feel fulfilled, and I have nothing fancy in my business other than some knowledge of copywriting and some sort of client acquisition and sales. But unfortunately it's very hard to exponentially scale, which is also why a lot of gurus like Iman Gadzhi, they're not running a marketing agencies themselves anymore. Instead, they switch to other models. Iman, of course, focuses a lot on his personal brand. That means he does a lot of work on his YouTube, but he also does info products. That means selling courses, and he also does some e-commerce in his sunglasses and other projects. My personal plan for the near future is to invest heavily in my personal brand. That means I will do a lot of YouTube videos. If you want to improve your life, you should definitely subscribe to this channel. On here, I'm making videos about challenging myself to improve. Subscribe. Bye-bye.